Hey there. Today I'm going to be talking about relationships and communication through technology and what it's like in today's society. There are several ways to be instantly connected with several people through technology in today's day and age. It's easy to communicate through different forms of social media or texting or even email. Though this technology can be super beneficial in helping with communication, it also has its consequences. It can be definitely affect the way that some people behave due to the fact that it's happening through a screen name. It's also important to note that life in relationships is not through a screen completely, and that we need to be able to socially interact and hold conversations face to face in order to succeed in life. It's important to stay safe and be responsible and be smart in communicating through technology, and just to always keep communication open and honest.